Canva just released a brand new feature that can turn a single photo into a short video in seconds. No video editing skills, no complex animations, just one click and your image starts moving. In this video, I'll show you exactly how this feature works and what you need to know before using it. So let's get started. First, open any project size you want to work with. In this example, I'm using the Facebook post size, but you can choose any size depending on your needs. Now, the first thing we need is an image. Go to the Elements, search for something like car, and then open the Photos. One important thing to remember here is that this feature does not work with premium images, so make sure you select a free image. After adding the image, click on Edit. Now, under the Magic Studio section, you'll find a new feature called Image to Video. This is a Canva Pro feature, so it won't be available if you're using the free version of Canva. If you want to try Canva Pro, I'll leave a link in the description where you can get a 30-day free trial. Once you open the Image to Video feature, you'll see two options. The first one is the Smart option, which works really well for most images. Simply click on Generate a 3-second video, and after a few seconds, Canva will automatically add motion to your image, making it feel like a real video. It looks really cool. If you like the result, you can simply add it to your design, or you can generate a new version to see a different animation. Let me generate it again so you can see the difference. This one looks great, so I'll add it to the design and set it as the background. Just look at how smooth and realistic this motion feels. Let me know in the comments what you think about this feature. Now, there's something important you should know. This feature currently does not work with human faces. I'm not sure why, but there's a limitation right now. For example, if I search for a girl, add the image, and try to generate a video, Canva will show an error. This only happens with human faces, and hopefully Canva will fix this in the future. Let's delete this image and try something else. I'll search for fish, add an image, and generate the video again. As you can see, the result looks beautiful and the motion feels very natural. Let's try one more example with a dog. I'll add this cute puppy image and convert it into a video. Honestly, I really like how this one turned out. Let's place it in the center. For me, this feature is a total game changer. I really hope Canva increases the video length in the future. Now, let me quickly show you the custom option. I'll add another image, go back to Image to Video, and open Custom. Here, you can describe the type of motion you want in your image. However, I've tried this multiple times and it hasn't worked very well for me yet. For example, I'll just type jump and generate the video. As you can see, this is not exactly what I asked for. Let me try one more example. Type something like simple car start. This is the result it generates. Hopefully, this option improves in the future because custom motion would be really useful. For now, the Smart option works best for me. Let me know in the comments if this feature is working well for you or not. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.